Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for stopping by the channel. Today we're gonna make some smoked salsa. It's gonna be delicious, it's gonna be spicy, and it's coming up right now. Okay, so here's what we need to start our salsa. We got 5 jalapeños, we got a whole thing of garlic, we got a handful of cherry tomatoes for that sweetness, a bunch of those big tomatoes, I think we got 6 right there, maybe 7, a couple white onions, and some limes to brighten things up. All right, let's get that UDS fired up. We're gonna roll with some cherry wood today. I got this stick of cherry wood. I'm just gonna drop down in there into the charcoal basket. All right, I got my fire starter here. I'm just gonna drop this down in there. Okay, so we're gonna just quarter all these tomatoes. We'll probably just half the onion, and we'll also just cut the top half of the garlic off. So let's get to work. On the jalapeños, you can do as many or as little as you want. I like a little spicy, so I'm gonna roll with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can leave the seeds in or not. It's your prerogative. I'm gonna leave them in. I like a little heat. And you can devein it, you know, if you want to. I'm not going to. Remember, when you're handling these peppers, have a glove and do not touch your eyeballs after you handle these. Okay, now I have a cooking pan here with a wire rack. I want to be able to catch any of the juices that drip down into that wire rack and use that in the salsa. And today we're going to use some of this Kinder's, the fajita blend. I figured that would go well with this salsa. We're going to be running at about 225 degrees on the UDS today. We got a nice clean smoke. That cherry smoke is mild and sweet, and I think it's going to be wonderful with this salsa. So let's go ahead and get our veggies on. Okay, looking good. Let's go ahead and put the lid on. Let's take a look. Man, if we had smell-o-vision, those jalapeños, those onions, that garlic right there. We're getting some nice color on these veggies. I think it's time to make our salsa. Man, look at this. The color on the tomatoes. I mean, they've just rendered down just perfect. A little piece of garlic escaped right there. Look at these onions. I mean, that looks awesome. These jalapeños, let's see how they turned out. Let's grab this one. Man, it's pliable, juicy. I think it's just right. These little cherry tomatoes are going to add some sweetness. I'm stoked. Let's get the Ninja blender and get to making some salsa. All right, here we go. Ooh, boy, look at that. Isn't that awesome? That garlic, my gosh, I wish y'all could smell this. Now don't forget lime. I'm going to cut this in half. Give it a squeeze. Definitely want that in there to brighten things up a little bit. Now I think we're going to need some more flavor. So we're going to come in with some Casks-n-Que GPS Navigate to Delicious. This is a GPS rub. Well, it's a little different than a salt, pepper, garlic. There's some more stuff in it. But this is out now, and I'm going to have a site up soon, so be on the lookout. I know. Some people don't like cilantro. It tastes like soap to some people, so if you don't like it, don't use it. All right, here we go. Okay, that's looking good to me. Let's see how we did. Now, you can blend this however you want. If you want it more chunky, then that's fine. However you want to do it. There's no rules here. Let's see how we did. There we go. Got some chips over here. Let's go ahead and take a bite. Now you definitely are picking, I mean, I'm getting that garlic, the onion, and that smoky flavor. There we go, it's looking good. Bottoms up. Got heat. Man, that is flavorful. Smoky. You got that roasted garlic going on. The GPS Casks-n-Que rub is amazing. And this is good salsa. That cherry wood adds that mild smoky flavor along with the garlic. Man, the garlic for me is just what does it. The jalapeños give it just enough bite to make you want to drink a beer with it. You got the tomatoes and the onions coming through along with that cilantro. Man, it's fantastic. Smoked salsa is the way to go. It's a crowd pleaser. Do it at your tailgate party. People are gonna love you for it. If you want less heat, just back off the jalapeños a little bit. Do it however you want, but do it on a smoker and it is the bomb. Hey, if you like what we're doing here at Casks-n-Que, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's gonna help us out a lot. We certainly appreciate you. We'll see you next time.